I'm back!
You're back!
Good morning! Magandang umaga. Andito ako sa garden at namimitas ako ng mga kalunay. Andito ako sa garden at namimitas ako ng mga kalunay. Dadalhin ko sa ate ko. Bibisitahin ko siya ngayon. Mama, you gulat me.
You gulat me too.
Oh, really? I get gulat. Sniff, sniff. You scared me, Mama. Say good morning.
Morning, morning.
Morning to the doggy there.
Morning, morning.
Wants to
wanna go there outside?
The doggy here wants to go out in the garden. I need more kalunay. I told ate I'm gonna be there past 10. And I think it's about 10:15 and I'm still here. Filipino time. Filipino time. There's more here. Magandang umaga sa aking second miniature garden. Ginawa ko yung bamboo house saka yung bamboo chair. I mean bench. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-decorate. Nag-order ako ng mga items sa eBay and I have to wait about 3 weeks. And since bibigyan ko si ate ng kalunay, bibigyan ko na rin siya ng tinatawag namin ang halamang ito na papait. Right here. Yes! What's the problem? Gusto mong lumabas dito, Hiro? Hiro ko.
Yes, tita.
Come on, Mama, give it a kiss. Oh my God, look at... Oh, they said... Ano ba yan? Masama daw ituro ang bunga.
Nakita ko na.
Oh, you already saw it?
Yes.
So I don't have to turo it?
Wanna kiss again? Yeah.
Yeah, you can't come here. You wanna say hi to everyone? Bye, Yo-Yo! Do you know what this is? Alam mo kung ano to? It's not an M or an F. It's a key. Big boy. Bye. Bye. See you later. Mukhang uulan. Nakalimutan kong sabihin kay Mama na ipasok sa loob ng bahay yung miniature garden ko. Kumatok ako sa garahe at nag-doorbell. Pero ayaw buksan. So, dito na lang sa front door. Mama, bye-bye!
Bye-bye you!
I'm gonna go now. For sure! Bye-bye! Where's Hira?
Here.
I can't see Hira.
Okay, bye-bye.
Dito na ako kina ate. 5 to 6 minutes drive. Side street. Puro 4-way stop. Walang stoplights. Dad! Hi! Andito na ako kina ate. Someone wants to say hi. Where are you? Come in. Come here, I mean. Ay, ang cute! Halika, dali. Come here. Ano name niya?
Himawari. Himawari.
Hi everyone, ako si Himawari. Himawari. Naku, oh, hi baby. Girl siya, diba? Back at home, nakalimutan ko na ang ginamit namin ni ating email when we signed up 2 years ago ay email ko at hindi ko na tanda ang password ko. So, kailangan kong bumalik dito sa bahay. Agsubli akjay ayan ni Ate Beth. I'm back. Hi Ate. I'm back.
You're back. My God.
I got my password. Yeah, I got my passwords na.
Ano? Nakita?
Naala ko. Nakita?
Nakalaang. Tatago.
Ajay, notebook ko.
Diyan notebook mo.
Yeah. Eating sandwich, doing CEU habang nanonood kami ng TV.
Diet.
Nag-i-exam si ate. Sipag.
Ha!
Sipag
Nako!
mag-exam.
Mahina na. Zero!
Oh my God, what happened? Ano nangyari?
Bagsak!
Ilan ang mali? You have 5 mistakes?
Yeah!
5, 6, 7, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
10.
Kailangan nating isulat. Okay, ate. We need to retake the test. Yeah. Kailangan nating mag-test ulit. Start over na. Ay! Oras na para umuwi. Bye, Hima.
Thank you for coming. Kamo.
Walang anuman, ate. Bye, Hima.
Gawa mo ako presa?
Yes, te.
Dala ka ng kupo.
Yes, te.
Ito, oh.
Ay, hindi na.
Marami ka rito.
Yeah, saka pag nilagin mo naman dito, parang maa-access mo naman yung ano. Ginawan ako ni ate ng French toast. Iuwi ko na lang. I'm full.
Ato.
Supposed to be breakfast. Magiging breakfast.
Dinner!
Breakfast bukas or dinner mamaya. Thank you, ate.
Welcome. Thank you too for
Walang
the
anuman.
Yummy.
Bahay na ako. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Tao po. Hira, let tita in.
Kinakain niya ng pinto.
Toto boy.
Baby boy. Kinakain niya na yung pinto.
Hi! Finally, mom is here. Another day. And yan lang para sa ating weekend Taglish vlog. I know, maikli lang. I know it's just short. But I hope it helps you guys getting used listening to Tagalog words. Lalo na ang Tagalog pronunciation. And I just wanna say a few words. I just wanna ask kung meron pa sa inyo na gusto akong gumawa ng weekend vlog where I speak like the usual way I speak. Because I just got a request that someone would like me to do a vlog having conversations, speaking normally, and I understand because once you guys go out there, people are going to speak like the usual way they speak. So that I understand, but I cannot do 2 weekend vlogs because it takes too much time. For a 14-minute vlog, it would take me 3 oras or a little bit more than 3 hours. So, ang iniisip ko, what I'm thinking is, I can do it alternately. Halimbawa, if I'm going to publish a weekend vlog this coming Sunday, where I'm speaking slowly, next week's Sunday, I'm going to publish a weekend vlog, where I speak like the usual way I speak. So, I'm just curious lang ako kung meron pang iba sa inyo that would like me to do the same. So, ayun lang. You guys can let me know sa comment section sa ibaba. Yan na. Let's go home na, Mama. Or you wanna stop by sa tindahan?
Seafood?
Sandwich. I wanna try that Vietnamese sandwich na naman. You know,
I know.
malapit sa Yum Yum Donuts.
Near that,
Malapit sa dentista mo.
yeah.
Yeah. Let's
Okay,
go na.
let's go.
I'm
Naku,
almost...
I don't have cash here.
I have $2.
Okay.
$2.
I know I have cash there,
Well,
but it's on my pants.
Or we can just search the recipe online and do it at home. Diba? I guess so.
Yeah,
It will work.
Did it.